You're watching a movie on Netmirror and want to switch language? Here's exactly how to do it. Once you've opened the movie, look for the small gear icon or settings button on the video player, usually found at the bottom right corner. Click that, then select audio track or language options. This is where you'll see all available dubbing tracks, like English, Spanish, Japanese, or whichever ones the uploader included. Just pick up your preferred language and it'll switch instantly without restarting the video. If you don't see a language option there, try reloading the page or checking another mirror link. Sometimes, only certain links have multiple audio tracks, and if subtitles are all that's available, go back to the same menu. Click subtitles and choose the language you want. That's it. Just a quick settings tweak and you can watch any movie in the language that fits you best. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.